The collision industry is rapidly evolving, and so is the way you apply for jobs. Paper and digital resumes have been the standard in the industry for a long time, but video resumes are quickly becoming a popular option with applicants and hiring managers alike. Creating a video resume is a great way to help you stand out as a candidate while you're applying for these jobs. So let's take a closer look on what they are, why you need one, and how to make one. What is a video resume, and why do you need one? A video resume is a short video that accompanies your written resume and cover letter when you apply at a collision facility. It can range from anywhere between 30 seconds to 2 minutes long, and the content should focus on introducing yourself as well as your experience and qualifications. Some collision facilities may require you to submit one, but others who don't will be impressed you took the initiative. Plus, with the time hiring managers spend on each application getting shorter and shorter, having a video resume will allow you to not only stand out, but quickly and effectively relay your qualifications and personality. What to include in your video resume. Think of a video resume as your elevator pitch on why you would make an excellent tech. Some areas of the collision world are more competitive than others, and you want to set yourself apart from the rest. Use this platform to tell your story and why you'd be a great fit for that role. If you don't have a lot of collision experience, try talking about how you got interested in the career path in the first place. Are you fascinated with modern vehicles? Or do you enjoy the satisfaction of taking something broken and making it like new again? You'll also want to talk about what soft skills like communication and organization you can bring to the table. It's important to stay focused on only a few key elements in your video. So let's break down what your video could look like. The intro. Start off with a greeting and an introduction, a short sentence about yourself. You can talk about how many years you have been in the industry, when you graduate if you're in school, and what you currently do for work, as well as the role you're interested in. If you don't have a lot of collision experience, this would be the place to mention what about the industry interests you most. The overview. Give a general overview of your work experience and schooling in 1 or 2 sentences. Keep it short, and make sure you don't just read directly off your paper resume. Why you should hire me. This section should make up the bulk of your video and be used to highlight your strengths and story. Try telling the viewer something that isn't on your paper resume or cover letter. Maybe it's your strong work ethic or a specific example about a time you really shined at work. Give them something that makes them say, yes, that would be a great employee. The goal is that by the end of the video, they're interested in learning more and you get that interview. The outro. After you hit all your key points, wrap up and summarize everything in 1 or 2 sentences. Now is also a great time to express how interested you are in the position and company you're applying for to show you've done your research. Close out with a thank you and provide your contact information for them to follow up with any additional questions. How to create your video resume. Once you've figured out what you want to include in your video resume, it's time to produce it. Scripting. For this next step, there's 2 different approaches. You can write and memorize a script, or you can write a bullet-pointed outline and approach the video more conversationally. The pros to writing and memorizing a script are that you can phrase everything exactly how you want to say it on camera. The downside is, depending on how comfortable you are on camera, scripting things out might make you come off as robotic. Meanwhile, the upside to just outlining what you want to say is you can keep a more natural tone and be more conversational. The only downside is that you may end up being a little bit longer-winded when using only an outline, so keep in mind this option may require more fine-tuned video editing. Filming. Take some time to pick out a good location to shoot your video. Make sure there's lots of good natural or artificial light in front of you rather than behind. For example, if there's a window or lamp in the room, position the camera in front of it and talk towards it. Whether using your phone, laptop, or a camera, it's always a good idea to use a tripod or level surface to film from. Finally, make sure whatever you're filming with is close enough to pick up your voice loud and clear. Presenting. Once you're all set up, press record and do a few takes of your video resume to get comfortable with your delivery. It's a little awkward speaking directly to the lens of a camera sometimes, but just try your best to think about it like video chatting a friend. If you're having trouble getting through your points on camera, try practicing it in a mirror. As crazy as it sounds, it actually helps. Another tip is to record a couple takes and then watch them back. Sometimes you'll notice something you did or didn't do, and by seeing it right away, you can correct it and record one last take. Editing. Now that everything is shot, there's a couple of ways to edit your footage together. You can find free apps online or in the App Store on your phone. If you use a Windows computer, Windows Movie Maker comes standard, or if you have a Mac, iMovie comes already installed. Both software programs are relatively easy to use, even if you don't have any video editing experience. Hosting. Finally, you'll want to upload your video to a hosting platform like YouTube. If you have a personal account with other videos, consider creating a professional one with another email. Then upload the video as unlisted, which allows the video to be sent to select people via a link, but remains hidden to everyone else. And that's all there is to it. If you want to see an example of a video resume, click here to check out mine. And for more information and resources to help you on your career journey, check out collisioneducationfoundation.org. Thanks for watching.